Welcome to WaxFrame. I built WaxFrame to do one thing and one thing only, give you the best document possible. It uses the power of multiple AI to do so, and it's really pretty easy. Let's get started and I'll show you. This is the worker bee page. This is where you set up who you want the hive to be. I've got preloaded in 6 of the most popular AI, but you can add any additional ones at any time. API calls are really cheap. For as little as $5, you can have a pool of money that the AI will work off of. It's much better than a subscription. Next up is the builder. You want to choose a builder that can handle working with a big amount of data and do it relatively cheaply. In this case, I've chosen Gemini. Currently, he's free. Next up is the project page. This is where you give details to the AI on what kind of project you're trying to create. You can define the project name and the version, the document type, the audience, the desired outcome, scope and constraints, the tone and voice, and any additional instructions like length. To make it easy on you though, we've made some templates. We're going to use the Start from Scratch template, Quick Start, and we're going to generate the best chocolate chip cookie recipe in the world. As you can see, it fills in all of the details that you need in order to create this document. Pretty easy. Moving on. Next up is the reference materials. We don't need any for this recipe, but you could paste in some text or upload files to support your document. Next up is whether or not you're going to upload a document, paste in the document, or start from scratch. In this particular case, we're starting from scratch. Now let's launch WaxFrame. Here's the working console. In this console, you can see your hive up in the left-hand corner. The checkboxes mean these are who is on duty for this particular round. You can uncheck or check them anytime you would like, and you can also change the builder as well. Down below is the conflicts panel. That's where you can see if one AI chooses to change one thing and another AI wants a different change to that same thing, you get to be the deciding factor. Over on the right is the live console. This is where you can see the behind the scenes work, and it's all time-stamped. Up above that is the project and round clocks to keep track of how much time you're spending on each round and each project. In the center is the main glory. It's the working document. Currently, it's got details on what we're trying to create. For the first round, we're going to create drafts. And so we're going to send out a response to all of the AI and ask them, hey, give me your best chocolate chip cookie recipe. Let's see it in action. Let's smoke the hive. As you can see, we sent all 6 of them, and already we're getting responses. As these responses come in, at the end of the round, then the builder, in this case Gemini, is going to take all of the responses from all 6 AI, as he's doing right now, and he's going to consolidate them into one document. His decisions will appear over on the left-hand side in the conflicts section as builder decisions. For the draft, it's not really important to dispute those. You just need something to work on, and then you can continue to keep refining it with the AI in subsequent rounds past that. Here's our chocolate chip cookie draft. As you can see, it's a full-fledged draft, and you could run with that if you'd like and just finish out. But let's see if we can get a better document. How we do that is we're going to run it through the hive again, and then as each AI decides to read this document, they're either going to submit changes that need to happen in the document, in which case those will appear over here in the conflicts that you can vote on, or they'll say no changes are needed. And you'll see a little gold star over here defining the fact that they don't have any changes that are needed and they think that the document that it's currently at is the best document possible. So let's see where we are. Well, as you can see, ChatGPT and Grok already feel like this document is pretty great. And so does Gemini. Wow, we got 4 out of 6 to agree right off the bat. Look how fast that was. And now we have the ability to export our recipe. And we can also export the full transcript of that. This gives you all of the behind the scenes work that's done. That way you have full transparency on everything that the AI have been doing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please get started today. It's free.